Today is Monday, October 7th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And although the weather is very quiet today for much of the middle of the country, we do have to talk about a major hurricane that will be developing in the Gulf of Mexico. Already at hurricane status, but it will become a major hurricane as it approaches the west coast of Florida. I highly encourage you to watch the tropical outlook, where I have all the details and all the different possible scenarios that could unfold with this storm as it approaches Florida, maybe makes landfall, probably will make landfall as a major hurricane on Wednesday along the west coast of Florida. So just scroll down on this page and you'll find that tropical outlook. But this is what the map looks like this morning on this Monday morning. Cool weather across the northern plains and the Great Lakes. There's even a little bit of frost up that way this morning. Scattered thunderstorms expected for central and south Florida. That is not related to the tropical system. That is way down here, actually just west of the Yucatan, moving east today. So today's forecast, pretty cool here in the Great Lakes region. These are your high temperatures. We've seen low temperatures like this even earlier this month, but quite the cool down with highs in the low to mid 60s. 70 for a high today in Cincinnati and Louisville. That's going to feel amazing in that sunshine, probably a little cool in the shade. 75 in Nashville, 76 in Memphis, 72 in St. Louis. It's going to be cool through at least Wednesday, Thursday. Then you see this little bump in those temperatures, I think, for Friday, Saturday. But those warm-ups getting a little shorter and shorter, right? Noticing that cooler air starting to really take hold. Temperatures will be in the 60s to near 70 most of this week in Chicago. A little bit of a warm up there as we head toward the weekend. In the southeast, lots of sunshine today. It's a beautiful Monday with highs ranging from the low to mid 80s. We got sunshine across much of the deep south, all the way there to Dallas, 90 degrees. Thunderstorms today for Tampa and all the way down to Miami. But this west coast of Florida really on high alert. We already have mandatory evacuations for parts of west coast of Florida. And there's just going to be more of that. And a historic storm, I think, will be unfolding again. I encourage you to watch that video, the tropical outlook. You just got to scroll down a little bit on this page. So after today, it does cool down a little bit here as a cold front continues to slide east, for the southeast that is, with temperatures peaking more like 70s as opposed to 80s. We got 80s today in Fort Lauderdale, but scattered showers and storms, locally heavy rain. And then we have, of course, the potential for a major hurricane. At the very least, it's going to be a hurricane making landfall on the west coast of Florida. So clouds and showers and probably severe weather threat throughout Florida for the middle of the week. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great day. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.